chocolate.
You don't think you're making chocolate pancakes, do you? And it's not chocolate cookies you're making.
Hey!
Don't make a mess. Look, they're still wet. They're still dry flour. There's lumps. You don't want lumps. Boy, these boys are working. You might as well start heating up the pan. You don't need to pull that out of your spoon?
He'll be there after a while. Can you prep this first? And then he'll put it out.
Is it leaking? Is it like spewing out?
Alright, bye-bye.
Be careful now, it's really wet, so you gotta go a little slower now until it gets thick again.
Hey, look,
Look at these guys, they're really good. Go slower, Don't make it come out of the top. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah.
hey, you think you're throwing my spoon in?
Is it still lumpy? Kind of lumpy.
Hey, you're throwing my spoon in. Hey.
It's still kind of thick. You need more milk. Go slower. Let's see. That's right. Monica, can you grab me that pan? Let's see. We don't want to make all that hot. How do we do that? How do we do it?
No.
No more milk.
I think it's got enough milk right now. Whoops. He just kept on stirring.
No, it's in. Hey.
It's looking much better.
It's not. It's a little empty.
Just a little more. Let me get off. Let me clean your spoon. I'll clean your spoon, and you clean my spoon.
No.
Oh, I'll scratch your back, and you scratch mine.
Okay,
Look at that. It's getting smooth. Look, it's getting very smooth.
Yeah.
It still needs a little more milk.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
Okay.
Got milk on my finger.
Hey, look at that. I'm thinking we're almost there. I'm thinking we just got to get the syrup out and start pumping out pancakes now. This is just too good. This is going to be delicious. Made with lots of love. Look at that. You can't be. This is pancakes with a giant L on it.
Maybe you should.
Be careful, you're about to get it out of the... Okay, I think that's it.
Okay.
All right. Now I got to set you down. Yes, good job. We'll leave that in there. That's a good job. Okay.
This is what it looks like?
Yeah, that looks watery, doesn't it? But that makes a nice little flat, rubbery pancake. And that's the way Papa likes his. Slightly rubbery.
Rubbery?
Yeah, he doesn't. Be careful, this is hot. Yeah. Yes, it's very hot. No, you can't get up here now. We're not going to allow that up here.
Put that away. No more.
Hey, wait a second.
Give it.
Give it to me.